is this? Oh my gosh, it's moving. No. All right, vlog 29. And you're probably thinking, where's 28 or 27? Well, I don't edit my videos, but I did record them. Yeah. So let's go in the lab. This toolbox is donated from my mom. And this shop vac is donated from my uncle Dwayne. And this scuba tank was donated from my uncle Perry. And this air compressor was donated from my uncle Adonis. And this mini fridge is donated from my uncle Jojo. And yeah, dead mouse number 4. And if you look over here, not there, over here, the inventory boxes are almost full. It's actually just a vibrating slipper. Yeah. And right now, it's looking really good. But to you guys, it's probably really dirty still. But it's celebrating. I'm celebrating with my mom and dad because it's not as dirty. And I'm gonna get that Mulan sauce. I'm gonna get that Mulan sauce. And I got this mad elephant here. Cole, he holds my stuff. He's actually my friend. This is the Mulan. Dead mouse number 4, and I actually get to see the skull.